Hi everybody, here is Luke. Have you also found those iPhone icons boring? I have a solution for you. So let's start by holding your finger on an icon, like Find My. We click on Edit Home Screen. On the top left, we click on Edit and click Customize. We've got four basic modes here. Light, which is the one I currently have full color. Dark, which darkens the icon and colors a little bit. Then automatic, which is a combination of light and dark. And finally, we have tint. Here you can unleash your creativity and choose whatever color you want. You can play around with it. But let's just say I like this red. You can also change icon size by small and large. It's been a while and I'm not happy with the red anymore, and I like to go back to the original light. So I'm going to hold my finger on some icon again. I select Edit Home Screen, Edit, and choose Customize. And I will just click on Light again. And that's it. If I helped you, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe.